are when two resistors are connected in parallel. We'll start with the equation that relates the reciprocal of the equivalent resistance to the sum of the reciprocals of the individual resistances. Let's begin with our initial equation. 1 over R equals 1 over R1 plus 1 over R2. Step 1. Let's get a common denominator on the right side of the equation. To do this, we'll multiply the first fraction by R2 over R2 and the second fraction by R1 over R1. Now, we can combine these terms since they have the same denominator. This gives us R2 plus R1 over R1 R2. Step 2. To solve for R, we'll take the reciprocal of both sides. When we flip a fraction, we also flip its numerator and denominator. And there we have our final answer. The equivalent resistance R equals R1 times R2 divided by R1 plus R2. This is known as the product over sum formula for parallel resistors. Let's see a quick example. If R1 equals 6 ohms and R2 equals 3 ohms, then the equivalent resistance would be 6 times 3 divided by 6 plus 3, which equals 18 divided by 9, which equals 2 ohms. And that's how we derive and use the formula for equivalent resistance in parallel circuits. Thanks for watching.